Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to use the substitution method to solve this pair of simultaneous equation. So step 1 is to label the equation neatly. So for this will be my equation 1, equation 2. To use this substitution method, usually we look for the variable with coefficient 1. That means in this case, I see there's a minus 1y here. So from equation 2, so this is where the equation comes from. I am going to plus y on both sides so that I get a positive y. I am also going to minus 3 on both sides so that you will see this line where I will have the 3x minus 3. The y and the y minus y will give me 0 on the left hand side, but on my right hand side, I will have my positive y. 3 minus 3 will be equals to 0. And that forms my equation 3. Okay? So now I know y and 3x minus 3, they are equivalent to each other. And then, since this equation comes from equation 2, I will then have to substitute. So this is the idea. I'm going to substitute this into equation 1. And let's see what does that happen. So I'm literally writing it down. Substitute equation 3 into equation 1. So my equation 3, going to put into equation 1, and let's see how does it look like. I will have 5x. Originally, equation 1 is 5x plus 2y equals negative 17. But because I now know my y, and 3x minus 3 can be used interchangeably. They are equivalent forms of each other. Hold on, let me just make sure that I got space for that. And therefore, I can replace or substitute y as 3x minus 3. And once I do that, I will be able to solve this equation easily. So this one will be my 5x. I'm going to multiply by 3 to give me positive 6x here. Multiply by negative 3 to give me negative 6. Continue to solve it. 5x plus 6x will be my 11x. I'm going to plus 6 on both sides. So that left hand side there's no more 6. And this will become negative 11. And after which I'm going to divide by 11 on both sides. So x will be equals to negative 1. And once I have the equation or the solution for x, I can then substitute this into any of the equation. Usually we substitute into equation 3 because I know the equivalent form of y, which is shown in equation 3. Equation 3 would be 3x minus 3. This is equals to y. That means interchangeably, y is also equals to 3x minus 3. And since we know the value of x, which is negative 1, let me make sure there's space again. -1. Therefore, I will be able to get the value of y. In this case, -6. Once we have successfully found the value of y and x, the last step is, of course, for us to really check to make sure that it is correct. I substitute back into the original equation. So the first equation is 5x. In this case, -1, 5 times -1 plus 2y, 2 times -6. Does it give me back -17? Yes, it does. Equation 2 is 3x minus y minus -6. Does this give me back 3? Yes, it does. And so, I have confirmed that my solution is correct. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.